welcome to the second episode of Burning with B. And our meal for this week is smothered okra. I'm really excited to share this recipe with you guys. It's a recipe that my mom has always done since I was little, and I've always been scared to cook okra, but I did a couple of weeks back and it came out perfecto, and I'm pretty excited to share this with you guys. So I just wanted to share my ingredients. Wait, before I share ingredients, let's talk about how grateful I am for the support that I've been receiving with Burning with B. Thank you so much for watching, liking, and subscribing. Make sure that you watch the entire video, like and subscribe, give me feedback, send me those comments, let me know like what you want me to make. I already have one request for something Cajun next week, so I'm gonna be whipping that up in the kitchen. I'm looking along the lines of maybe like some po' boys, a healthy kind of, you know, something healthy with it. I don't know. I know I'm gonna do some fried crabs, okay? Cause sis loves crabs, and I figured out how to make my own perfect seasoning for fried crabs, and I wanna share that with you guys. So again, thank you so much for supporting and watching. This week we're making smothered okra, so let's get down to business with the ingredients. I have my homemade tomato sauce. Boom, boom, that's done. I have jalapenos, red peppers, orange peppers, banana peppers. I have basil, I have, and cilantro in here. All of that, most of that came out of my garden, actually. And then I have my shrimp. I'm gonna add a little bit more fresh tomatoes to it just to make it a little bit more chunky. Because I like chunky food. I don't know why, I just like it. Okra, all from my garden, which I'm extremely proud of. All of this okra came from my garden. I have my blue crabs that I'm going to add. My seasons, of course, I have my Tex Joy because, you know, Beaumont 409, I love Tex Joy. We're, of course, gonna have our black pepper in there, garlic, salt, and the trick to get rid of that sticky, icky stuff in the okra so it's not slimy, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, distilled vinegar. My mama taught me that. I am missing dried shrimp because none of the grocery stores out here in Katy have it. I'm a little like upset because normally they do. But these are the ingredients for our smothered okra. Let's get started. Oil is done, let's cook. Done with all of that, so. And then of course I already told you what these are, the banana peppers, jalapenos, basil, parsley, good stuff, fresh from B's garden. Yes, yes, honey. I listen to music when I'm cooking because, I don't know, since birth, music is like part of my blood. Like, I love it to death. I'm silly, y'all. I will do some silly stuff. Let me tell you a little trick that I do pull on this stuff. I'm always opening this on the wrong end. I don't know why. Anyway, what I usually do to this is just give it a little Tex Joy on there. Because I like my food, y'all know, it ain't salty, but it's seasoned, you know? You make anything salty, can you make it seasoned and flavorful? Alright, this is really easy. I'm gonna go ahead and add my tomatoes. My fresh tomatoes. And yes, they're big, but they'll cook down, but they'll give the okra a little bit of extra flavor, right? cover that and let it cook for a minute. I guess we could talk again. Oh, actually, we're not gonna talk again. We will, but I need for you guys to watch the entire video, like and subscribe. Send me any suggestions. As I said at the introduction of this, at the beginning of this, next week we're gonna do something Cajun. Definitely gonna include fried crabs. I don't know what else Cajun I wanna make. Po' boys keep popping in my mind, but y'all know I like to make things healthier. So how can I make a po' boy healthy? I'm gonna figure it out. Let me know if that's what you want me to cook next week is po' boys. I'm cooking fried crabs regardless. Like, that's on the list. We all gonna learn how to make these fried crabs, okay? But I wanna see if I can make maybe a shrimp po' boy. So I don't eat meat. Maybe a shrimp po' boy or oyster po' boy, something delicious like that. I gotta do that. All right, let's check on this. So this is like softening up a little bit, and it's fine if the tomatoes aren't all the way cooked down, because of course your okra takes a while to cook. So now we're gonna add this fresh okra. Vinegar, and you're only going to add 2 tablespoons because you don't need much more than that. 1, 2, and that will get that slime out. I remember Nickelodeon, the slime. Damn, I'm old. They still do that? They don't? No, that sucks. That was fun when I was a kid. Let this cook for a minute. Give it a moment to marinate. Ooh, child, I'm tripping. What we gonna do with our seasoning, girl? Get our little Tex Joy in there. I'm gonna add our black pepper. And really, I don't use like basic seasoning. Add a little salt. And I actually want to add some oregano because, and this isn't the oregano from my garden, I already have it in my tomato sauce. I'm using the oregano leaves from here because I just want to try it and see how it works out. And usually that's what I do. I'm like, this sounds like this might go with it. Let me try it. And then it works out. Like vegetables, child. All right, so I have my homemade tomato sauce. Y'all know how I do. Au naturel, au naturel. For now. I am going to add a little bit of water to it, just a little bit, not a lot. I'm not gonna add all of these crabs. I did a half a dozen and broke them in half. We're gonna let this cook for about 25 to 30 minutes. Come back every so often and stir it up just to make sure it's not burning or sticking. If you need to add a little bit more water, do that in between, but you should not need it. We're gonna let this cook and I'll be back with the finished product. Thanks for watching Burning with B. Don't forget to watch the video, the whole video, like and subscribe. Also leave me comments. Let me know what recipes you want. Next week is Cajun week. Thanks, Tori. Oh, it smells so good. I love the way, ooh, it smells so good. And also, I added a little cumin to give it just a little bit more smoky flavor because I like the way that tastes in here, so. Sis, you did that, okay? Smothered okra. Oh my God, I'm about to get down. Again, thank you for hanging out with me at Burning with B. I'll see you guys next Sunday with our Cajun recipe. Fried crabs is like the one of the big things that I'm gonna be making. Make sure you watch the entire video, like and subscribe, send me feedback. I'm open to any ideas that you guys may have to help me improve, any recipes that you want me to make a little bit more healthy, because while I'm making Cajun next week, I am gonna make it healthy. See you guys next week. Peace out.